Vietnamese yesterday, and how did you learn Vietnamese with Michelle so far? Is it hard? No, it's not, right? Because you have Michelle here to help you all the time. But did you practice with me yesterday? You didn't, right? Okay, I will give you a punishment. You cannot be lazy like that, okay? The punishment today is I will give you some difficult words to pronounce. Is the triple vowels. Usually this one no one will teach you because it's not in the alphabet. It's just combination of 3 vowels. So usually you have to learn it by yourself. But today I give you some help. I will guide you how to pronounce every triple vowels. Triple vowels is in the ending of a word, and what you need to is just put the initial part combine with the triple vowels and it make a word easy to pronounce. Okay, let's go with the first triple vowels. Today is E is combination of the word E, E, U, yêu, yêu, yêu. It pronounced like the word yêu, I love you or something. Yêu in Vietnamese, the word love. Yêu, but this is short E, not long E. Yêu, biếu quà, biếu, điêu khắc, điêu khắc. So yêu, if it combine with an K, ca, yêu, kiêu, kiêu hãnh. So what if it combine with the word m, yêu, miêu tả, miêu tả. Is it easy? Because now you know the word yêu, you can combine with any initial part, which is usually consonants. So yêu, miêu, điêu, tiêu, kiêu, liêu, anything, it's possible. So that's how you pronounce every word. Just combine the initial part with the final part. So yêu, miêu. That's how you do it. So now we will go through all the list. The next one is also yêu, but with a long E. It is always stand alone. You cannot add anything in the front because this is the only word that comes with yêu, yêu with long E. The second one is o, a, e, y, y, y. Your mouth is like this. Y. A little bit round and then it come out. Y. Soái ca, soái ca. Loài vật. Khoai tây, khoai tây. The next one is u, long E, E dài. Uây, uây, quây quần, quây quần. Okay, that's how you pronounce it. Because usually when you see some complicated word like this, you really don't know how to pronounce it. But now just follow me, follow what I teach you today, and then any word ending with way, you can pronounce it. Okay. Next one is u, o, e, way. This is with short E. Con suối, quả chuối, chuối. Tuổi, bạn bao nhiêu tuổi? Not bạn bao nhiêu túi. Y, ươi, ươi. 10. Tươi, tươi mới. Con người, người. The next one is quite hard. Focus, okay? U, hươu, hươu, hươu. Hươu cao cổ. Chim khứu. This one is really hard. Khứu. And even in the word rượu, rượu, rượu. Okay. U, I dài, A, Uya, which is đêm khuya, khuya. I think this is khuya is the only word that comes combined with uya. The next one is U, I dài, E, N. No, this one is not combined 3 vowels but 4 vowels together. U, I dài, E, N. This is the hardest one, is it? Do you feel it? Uyên, pronounce it. Uyên, Uyên, Uyên. Uyên is also a Vietnamese female name, so maybe you have a friend name is Uyên. Now you know how to pronounce her name, okay? In the word example, duyên phận, duyên phận, or thuyền, con thuyền, mẩu chuyện, or nguyên nhân. Pronounce it again. Uyên, Uyên. Try to repeat it, and repeat it. Okay. The last one. This one also the special one. U, I dài, E, tờ. Uyết, uyết. Truyền thuyết, thuyết, tuyết. Which is snow. In Vietnam we don't have snow, so I think most of Vietnamese people like me, we wanna see and we wanna touch snow so much. I haven't got any chance to see snow yet. Okay, that's it for today, and we will go back through all the list again. Okay, ready? Yêu, yêu, yêu. Oai, oai. Uây, 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 uây. Ươi, ươi. Uây and uây is a, when it comes to pronunciation, is similar. I think it's similar, but because when you put it in a word, it comes with different initial part, so you will pronounce it a little bit differently. Ươi, ươi. Uya, uya. Uyên, uyên. The last one is uyết, uyết. Okay, that's it for today. How was the punishment? Is it hard for you? If you don't practice again, I will give you more punishment again. Okay, so now please practice with me. If you still feel you're not confident yet, go and watch it again. Repeat it, and then you will master Vietnamese soon. I will see you with tomorrow lesson, which is about compound consonant, which you don't really have it in English at all, so it's really important how to pronounce the word something like phở. I know you love phở a lot, do you? But you need to pronounce it first, so next time when you go to the restaurant, you don't get something else instead of phở, okay? So come back tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow.